the channel. My name is Kathleen if you're new, and if you're not, look at you doing your thing. I'm so proud of you. Welcome back. I have been in a funk. I feel like my brain has not been braining, my creativity has not been creating. It's just one of those times, I don't know, it's the middle of the year, it's summer in Dubai, everything is so hot and dusty. I don't know what is the issue, but my brain has just been feeling like something is not right, something is, things are not aligned. In order to try and get out of that, I chose an even more difficult task. I've decided to declutter the house and just try to let go of everything that should not be here, let go of everything that is unnecessary. The only problem is I know with this decluttering stints is that you can start and then you take out everything and you start with so much zeal, and then before you know it, your whole house is upside down and you're tired, and then what? But these things, the only way to get across this bridge is to just take the first step and just start and see where that goes. So hopefully I don't get bogged down in the middle of the process, because I really want to get rid of a lot of stuff. Behind me, if I open these doors, is a mess. But that's the plan for today. So let me get my drink, put something interesting to watch to just keep my eyes distracted, and then let's switch to the fast forward bit.
I have been meaning to get into the closet and clear out stuff for the longest time. It's been long overdue, especially so many clothes that I no longer wear, and I don't know why I keep holding on to them. They say like your wardrobe, 50% is clothes that you never wear, another 25% is clothes that you keep because you think that you'd lose weight, and then another 20% is clothes that you feel like you need for a special occasion, and only 5% is what you wear, and that is actually true. Anyway, so I just started by taking out all the clothes from the closet. I was trying to sort them out according to a yes pile, a no pile, and a seasonal pile, like clothes that I only wear seasonally.
Closet has been emptied, and how all these clothes came out from this closet, I fail to understand. Already my yes pile is way bigger than my no pile. These are the clothes which I am 100% sure that I want to keep. These are the ones which I'm not sure whether to keep or not. Some jeans and pants over there. And here is a pile of all the jackets, jumpers, sweaters, stuff like that.
Before I got into sorting out the clothes, I just wanted to give the wardrobe a quick wipe down because it was quite dusty. So I wiped it down and let it dry while I sort out the clothes. These are the seasonal clothes that I'm referring to. I know I won't need these sweaters until maybe December, because the summer this time round has been super hot, and sweaters and jackets are really bulky, so they take out a lot of space from the closet. So I decided to keep these folded until I actually need them.
These are the gowns and the jackets. The jackets are mainly for winter time, and these gowns I don't wear often because like they're long flowy gowns, so they're usually for special occasions. So if you're having a wedding, invite me because I have an outfit. But this I have decided will go up there. Then I will hang the clothes that I wear regularly in the bottom part. So next thing I'm gonna do right now is just fish among these clothes. There are a lot of t-shirts. So I want to take those out. I will fold them up nicely, and that will go in the drawer. Marie Kondo way. So let me get to that.
When folding up the t-shirts, I try to make sure I fold all of them to the same size because I'm going to be arranging them in the drawer vertically, so it's easier to pick out the t-shirt that you want and then the rest remain folded, rather than arranging them like horizontally, because then you have to like go through the entire pile to find maybe a specific t-shirt that you need. You'll see exactly what I mean when I put them in the drawer, but I just wanted to remove the t-shirts from the hangers because also they're taking so much space, and I know they can fold into really small pieces, so those will fit perfectly in the drawer. One thing I got from this process is I ended up getting rid of a lot of these dry cleaning hangers. I will probably give them back to the dry cleaning guy when he comes to pick up the laundry because I'm sure they can reuse those. So next I just hang up my regular wear clothes in the closet after removing anything seasonal and also sorting out the stuff that I don't want to keep anymore. I also sorted up and folded the denims which don't need to go on the hangers. Denims are quite heavy and I don't have any wooden hangers, so it will be easier for me to keep them folded up, and plus I don't have that many pairs of jeans. This is the current state of the drawer. Bit messy, but I want to take out everything, sort, fold, and then I can arrange the t-shirts and my vest and all that stuff in the drawers properly.
I'm finally done with my closet. This is all the space I managed to clear out for things that don't need to be here. Here in the top, I'm going to sort out the beddings and then I will arrange them there. And then I just put my denim here, my few handbags, very few minimalist type of vibe. So my handbags are here, my denim are here, and I folded up this drawer like Marie Kondo would be so proud of me. So these are all t-shirts, these are vests, these are tights, and then these are sets and shorts. I think I made a mistake. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I don't want to do this anymore. Anyway, so these are all the bags of stuff that I feel like maybe someone could use. I've cleaned out both closets. So this is bags, shoes, clothes, because I have emptied out the plastic container that was having a lot of shoes inside. I just sorted that out. And now I want to work on this chest of drawers over here because it also has a lot of miscellaneous stuff.
So for the chest of drawers, I just took everything off, wiped it down. I used the hand vacuum to vacuum the drawers. I didn't get drawer organizers, but now after organizing the drawers, I feel like I need to get them because yes, I eliminated a lot of unnecessary things and put everything back in a bit of a better organized way. But in order to prevent that pile up from occurring again, I should get drawer organizers and keep everything separated and sorted out.
Welcome to day 2 of decluttering. I didn't finish yesterday, so I want to work on the small desk because the cable management is looking horrid, as well as the drawers have a lot of stuff that don't need to be there, so I'll take care of that. But already I feel like so much better, especially that I took care of the wardrobes because that is something that I hadn't done in a long time and it was long overdue. So I'm really happy for working on that.
So this desk, is the main issue with it was the drawers were pretty cluttered, and then there was a lot of documents that usually I keep in a separate document folder, so I had to take those out. This YouTuber on the screen is Miss Jemima. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. She's very, very funny, so you should check out her channel. Once again, the amount of stuff coming out of these small spaces is shocking me because those drawers are nothing but 2 inches deep, and why is there so much stuff in there?
I saw somewhere online someone using phone cases as drawer organizers, and since I didn't have drawer organizers for these drawers because they're pretty small, I tried to do the same. This is an iPhone phone case, and this is for the Samsung Galaxy phone, and it works really well in like keeping everything nice and separate. Here I just put some pins, some sellotape, rubber bands, pens, business cards, extra phone cases, my passport of course, and a bunch of other knickknacks. So these things really come in handy. Like you can see, it's just a phone case, but I just opened it and then used it to separate stuff in the drawer. So whoever did that on the internet, thank you for that. end of this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as I declutter my space. I am definitely happy that I took the time to do that. A lot of things that I had forgotten about, I had lost, I have found, and also created so much space. But I'm happy with the results. I will definitely be doing the same for the other rooms, because especially the living room, it's not too bad, but I think I need to eliminate a few things just to make the space a bit more breathable. It's just funny how things accumulate uncontrollably over time, and I usually feel like I do a good job of keeping up with, decluttering and clearing out stuff, but this particular time clearing out the bedroom has taught me that I've not been keeping on top of it quite enough. So I will try to do that more often. If you found any motivation from this video to declutter your space, then I'm so happy for you. And if you haven't, I hope that you still enjoyed watching. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can drop a comment down below, and also just check if you're subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. That would be a huge milestone for us. But that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you on the next one.